What's up, Saberhood? This is Justin from Saberbay. This is a sales video for a Vader's Vault Rival Elite that's been upgraded with Npxl. It came as a RGB, so installed the Crystal Shard 4.5. It already had the blinking LEDs and the beautiful lightly weathered finish. As you can see from far away, it doesn't look too weathered. Bring it up close, you can see those nice details. It has Dimitri's Npxl long pin connector in there and a 3D printed shine through holder. I'll do it in a mute mode so you can see how bright it is. It also illuminates a blade plug very nicely. It'll come with this blade plug as well. I put mostly, I think, all prequel sounding fonts on there, or boots. It has a newer updated speaker.
It's treason, then.
When I say updated, I think they've had the same speaker for over a year. It's just, to me, it's an update because they used the 20mm one for so long. The nice thing about this holder is it protects the PCB from moisture and dust and the blade rubbing against it. And also those long pins, they allow for more flex, so if the blade happens to move while you're hitting it, since the pins are a little bit longer, they'll keep contact. I don't know if you've seen videos of people playing with Npxl sabers. When they're banging them really hard, sometimes they lose connection. Blade in. Has that nice scrolling effect.
At last we will reveal ourselves to the Jedi. At last we will have revenge.
Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, go ahead and feel free to ask them in the comments or email me, Justin@saberbay.com. Thank you.